have here the FlexTail Zero Pump. Let's take a look at it. Okay, so let's see what we got in here. Comes with a cable, user guide, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 adapters. This little string, don't really know why I need that. And the pump. So I got the version here with the battery. So it's a little battery like this. It has a USB-C connector. It's advertised right on there, 1.2 ounces. I'm gonna go ahead and weigh to see, because that's already an ounce. Yeah, 1.19, so that's 1.2 ounces, which is a little deceiving because you can't even use it without the battery. There's the battery, and I'm going to be using with a thermarest, so just grab any of them. So total weight would be 58.4 grams, so 2 ounces. And I heard a lot of people that have been doing the reviews said, oh, it didn't work, but they didn't charge it before. So I'm going to go ahead and charge it, and let's try it out. All right, so it's fully charged now. That took under an hour, so that's pretty good. Two clicks turns it on. On off. I heard a nice feature about this was because these are rubber, pliable, you can just stick it right on. So you don't need to just sit there and hold it. I can actually let this inflate while I'm taking out my sleeping bag. So let me just clear off this table and see if I can get this going. And let me see how long this will take. So let's set a timer. So that took like 40 seconds. Mind you, it's a small version, so maybe a full-size pad would be a minute. Now it also has a deflate. So I guess the deflate is the same way to inflate. You're just using the opposite end. So I'm gonna bring this on my trip this weekend, and hopefully it ends up good.